Okay. Nandito na naman ang bagong labubo namin. There's a original labubo from Pop Mart. There's the QR code here. So it means it's original. So, okay, open your labubos. There, go. Which one first? This one muna. Oh, ganyan muna. Ay, ganyan muna. Oh, ayan. Ito muna. Okay, open it. Ay. Go. Ay, no, it's not. Oh, like that. Oh, go. That's white. That's a monster. Oh, it's different. Ganyan mo lang. Oh wow! Oh, it's gold. Labubu. Okay, one. Next.
Wait.
Ito mo lang. Okay, go. Oh, where's the card? Oh, here. Bakit? Nasaan ang... Oh, here. Lychee. Okay, next.
No, I don't know. Forgot this one. Forgot what this is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow! Oh, saan kami ship ito? Sabi.
That's sea salt.
Ah, sea salt?
Yeah.
Sea salt! Nasaan ang card? Okay. Sea salt. Okay. Next. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's our labubos for today. Open mo na?
Yeah.
Good. And where's the other one? Oh, this one. This one is a gift for someone. So we will not open it. Okay. There's our labubo. Oh. Take a picture.